Namaste students. Today our topic for chapter 3 metals and nonmetals is mineral and ores. In a previous class we had discussed about occurrence of elements in which we know that elements occur in combined form or native form. So dear students, mineral is a inorganic substance which is found under the earth crust. Inorganic, new term, inorganic means substances that can obtain from non-living things, that can obtain from non-living things. And other new word is earth crust. We know that earth is made up of three terms: earth crust, mantle, and core. So it is a part of earth crust. So dear student, mineral is an inorganic substance which is found under the earth crust. And second one is ore. Ore means that mineral by which we can get metal profitably and easily. Ore means that mineral by which we can get metal profitably and easily. कहने का सेंस हुआ कि उस मिनरल को हम ओर कहते हैं जिससे हम उस मेटल को आसानी से और कम पैसे खर्च करके प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Example, the ore of aluminium, bauxite. That means by bauxite ore we can get aluminium metal, iron, hematite for zinc, calamine, etc. That means all metals exist in nature in the form of mineral and mineral has ore, and with the help of ore we can get these metals. So one new term is extraction. Extraction of metal. That means to obtain a metal from its ore. To obtain a metal from its ore is known as extraction. And the various methods involved in this process is known as metallurgy. One new term is metallurgy. Metallurgy means the various methods involved in the extraction of metal is known as metallurgy. So, what are various methods? That is, metallurgy for metals. Metallurgy means various methods, various जो steps, various. Here in the definition of metallurgy, we use the term various methods, or we can write here steps, various steps involved in the extraction of metal is known as metallurgy. There are three different steps for obtaining a metal from its ore. First of all, it is concentration of ore. In this term, in this step, we remove impurities from its ore. Second one, reduction of ore. In this step, we convert concentrated ore into impure metal. And third one, refining of metal, and in this step we convert impure metal into pure metal. So dear students, in this syllabus we have to only learn about their different steps for metallurgy. In higher class we will be discuss about more knowledge. So your homework is prepare notes and learn the topic. In next class, we discuss about physical properties of metals and non-metals. Thank you.